So this time we need to select. This time we need to select this option, standard ADSO. I'm activating. You need to select this option, otherwise it will not create. So for this standard advanced ADSO, it will create three tables. Active table change. Why I'm getting issue? Key definition is missing. We need to go details and we need to manage the keys. For inbound table not required. For staging advanced ADSO, for standard advanced ADSO, it is mandatory. So now I know the keys. What are the keys? These two are keys. Okay. And now try it, activate it. It will allow. See, these two are keys. I'm using same data source only. That is the way I mapped it from here only. Okay, one data flow only. I'm creating all this. Okay, so these are all same data source and fields only. Based on the data source only created, automatically it is mapped it. Now you can see here. You can adjust structure as well if you want. Activating it. Now I can see 30 records. So last time we loaded staging advanced ADSO. We don't have any this activation symbol and all. Now it is activation symbol came. Now you can see 30 records. Right click and now I can see inbound table, active table, change log table as well. Now you can go and check it in the inbound table. Same features available. Whatever we have staging advanced ADSO, same request number, data packet number, record number. So record mode is blank only here. So once I activate, see, the data will move from inbound table to active table, change log table parallelly, and the inbound table data will deleted. So now right click and you can go inbound table. It will display message like no table entries for the specific key. Now you can go and check it in the active table level. We can see record mode. You can see record mode. Okay. Now you can see record mode. What is the record mode? N. N means new record only. All records will be N only because we having only 30 records. You can see all the 30 records in the same screen only. Okay. So why it is in two in the blue color? These two are keys. These two are keys. While you are designing ADSO, standard ADSO, we kept these two as keys. Okay, based on these two keys only, overwrite will happen. So what are the two keys? Based on these two keys only, overwrite will happen. Overwrite. Overwrite will happen. based on the keys. Okay. And also summation also based on the keys only. But by default for standard ADSO, overwrite will be there. Where you can see overwrite, go here and go to this data flow. Here transformation level, you can see the overwrite option. Did you observe? Go to transfer rules. For which option you can see key figures only. Example, network. I selected network, right side, and now you can see right click, go to show rule. See here, go to show rule. Go to this option. So in the transformation level, here you can see what is the options. Move on summation. Move means overwrite only. And summation means aggregating. Okay, by default it will be there. This option only for key figures available, not characteristics. So for example, customer number, okay, sales order number. This option, this will not go aggregating the data, right? These are the no, sales order number. This we are not going to aggregating the data, right? This is not calculations. These are like no characteristics. Okay, only key figures we can do aggregation or override. This, okay, this we can do, not this one, okay. This we can do it. Where you can see KLMNG. This we are doing like no aggregation or override. So by default it will be override for this option. And you can even you can see other option as well. KW quantity. So this is the quantity you can see. Yeah, here this option. In the older version we can see override. In the BW4HANA we can see move. Okay, this is the option available. If you want, you can keep it summation as well. If we keep summation, what will happen? It will keep on aggregating the data. Okay. And once you activate, then we'll go to the change law table also. You can see. You can go here. You can go to the change law table. In the change law table, we can see only changes. We can see the only changes, which record is created, which record is modified. That easily you can identify based on the record mode. Understand? Okay, this is the interview question. In the standard advanced ADSO, we have a change law table. In the change law table level, we have a field record mode. Under this, we having multiple values based on this n. Okay, this record is created. Blank means that is after image. X means that is before image. A means additive. D means deleted. R means reverse. The record is reversed. Okay, once data record is deleted in the source level, so that record should be reversed, right? Sometimes no in the source level. Source means S4HANA. In the we are loading these 30 records from the source S4HANA. Example, this last sales order number, this is 26, order number 26. If they delete in the source level, if I execute the BW level report, still it is showing 26 in the report level means that is wrong only, right? In the source level, what is our source? S4HANA. So S4HANA itself they deleted. So it has to delete in the BW itself. Okay. So that also it will update to the in the BW side. Okay. It will also deliver it in the BW level. We'll see that example. I'm unable to log in the system. Otherwise, I can show you this. I'll try last time. The user is locked. Caps? No. Okay. User is locked. I'll check with them. Okay. So this is how we'll create. Okay. And you can see data mode advanced DSO as well. I just bring it. I can create my total flow here only. Sorry. New objects. So I'm creating data mart. Okay. For data mart advanced ADSO, it will create two tables, inbound table and active table. You have to always remember these options. So do we need to keep manage keys? How keys will behave in the data mart advanced ADSO? Each and every characteristic will behave like keys. That will show you again. Okay. Okay, I just activated this and now I will go and see it here. Okay, so from here only I'm just mapping into data mode advanced ASO. So now in the transformation level, you can see each and every object as a key for the target. Now you can go rules. See here where you can see each and every object as a key. See here. Key figures, it will not be keys. Okay, remember this. Only characteristic will behave like keys. See, this is not characteristic. This is a key figure, quantity. And this is quantity, currency, currency. All options will go. Okay. See quantity. This currency. That is why it is not a key. Okay. So like this it will behave. In the transformation level, you can see. This is the transformation. Okay. Even you can see 104 also while you are designing data mart advanced DSO. If you keep what is here, you can see here all characteristics are key. When I keep when I select this radio button, you can see active additive delta. Additive delta means summation. It will not support override. See additive delta. All characteristics are key. Extraction reporting on inbound queue and active table. Active table. Compression into active table like info cube. So you can place cursor on this and you can see this. Okay. And this staging advanced audio, so you can see this one. Standard advanced audio, you can see. And this also you can see. Clear? I'm executing. Now we'll go and check into the BW4 HANA. So our DSO name 104, right? So now I can see here 30 records. So currently it is available in the inbound table. So in the inbound table, you cannot see aggregated data. Okay. So if I load again, what will happen? Let me activate. It will go to the active table. There is no change in order table for this. Right click, you can see active table data. In the active table, I don't see any request number and all. Okay. So how much value is there? You can see total amount BRGW. If you want to see total, you can select particular key figure. You can see the total. Okay. So now I will go and I will execute again delta. What will happen, we'll see. So we are handling through delta itself. I mean, in the DTP itself. If we found new record, then it will send the records. See here, even though data mart advanced ADSO will behave like aggregation. If we load, so we are getting zero records only because there is no change records. If we do full load, what will happen? It will aggregate the data. Our amount will be doubled. That is wrong only. So if you like this, we will load the real time. Every time we load delta records only. Even though this info cube, what will happen? This data mart advanced DSO will behave like aggregation. Aggregation means if we load, it will get the aggregating. For example, first time I loaded 10 and second time I loaded same 10. Then it will get aggregate, same record only, I'll aggregating. But I loaded two times with the DTP because I kept like no DTP symbol. I kept like no delta symbol in the DTP level. So that is the way it is not bringing any record. So in this way we can handle. Correct na? In the source level we having original value 10 only. So first time you loaded. On second time I executed. Second time I executed. I am getting zero records. This is correct only. Okay, again if you are getting 30 records, then it will be aggregating, right? In the cube level because it is a cube behavior. So in the ADS standard ADSO level, even if you load multiple times with full also, it will not aggregate. So let me create one a DTP, full DTP, then we can see. Okay. Right click and refresh. The DTP will come here. Right click, creating DTP with the full update. I'm changing full update option and activating. So you cannot create a DTP with the delta two times. Okay, only one time you can create. Full update you can create multiple times. Are you getting me? So for example, I wanted to create 10 DTPs. I can create only delta DTP one time only. Second time I can't create. So full DTPs I can create multiple times. Now I will go and see it here. See, I executing there and getting the request. So 30 records came because it is a full load. I'm activating it. It will move from inbound table to active table. If I go and check into the active table level, is it getting double? Total records 60. Now you can see this value. Last time we having 20 something. Now I loaded for double. It is getting double because this is wrong, right? So this behavior is getting double, aggregating. So again, if we load, it will get double, triple because we loaded three times. So by mistake, if you load also, you need to identify like this. Go back. So because it is a full load, I am getting every time 30 records. It is not a delta. Now you can go and check it in the utilities. Go to active table. I'll bring it to first level. What is the value? See, 62. This means triple. If we load again, then it will get again. Okay. Data mart advanced ASO behavior is like this. Even if you are loading from S4 as well. Okay. We see yesterday based on the flat file, based on the Excel file. If you go here, and now it should show 80 something. Okay. See, it is getting double. So in the standard advanced ASO, just show here 104, right? 103. I will go to the standard advanced ASO 103. I loaded how many times? I loaded only one time. I loaded only one time. Okay. I'll go here and I will go to the active table. I can check it. Okay. How much it is available. I will load again. Okay. This is the value BRGAW. Okay. I'll bring it to first level and then I will check. Okay. If just click on this aggregation button so that you can see 81, 2813. Okay. 20,813. Okay. So then I will execute this same thing. Go to here and we go to this data flow level 103, right? This I will select 103. Once you open, it will go to the 103. Okay, I minimize this other ADSOs. Okay, just right click and refresh so that DTP folder will display and right click. So let me create one full DTP. So I'm trying to create one delta DTP. It will allow or not, we'll see. I will show you. More than one, we cannot create delta DTPs. Already delta DTP is available. This one. See, I'm trying to activate it. It will throw error. See why? You can see in the bottom level, what is the error? In the real time also same, bro. See here. Overlapping selection criteria. Okay. Same DTP we cannot create delta, multiple delta DTPs we cannot create. So we need to create full. So full DTPs I can create as much as. Okay, I'm executing it. How it will behave in the BW level, we'll see. So now I'm into refresh, refresh and activate it. Even data mart advanced as well we activated. That is once you activate it is getting aggregating. Go to active table and check it. So how much it is there? 2813. I loaded two times, still it is 813. Are you getting me? In the standard ADSO level, it will be only overwriting the data. Standard ADSO level, even if you load multiple times, it will be overwrite. Okay, in data mart advanced ADSO, it will be aggregating. Clear? Even if I load one more time, so it will show only same value. See, I loaded 3 times, still same value. Are you getting me? For standard advanced ASO, this is the main difference. Standard advanced ASO, it will be overwrite. Data mart advanced ASO, it will be aggregating. So data mart advanced ASO, always we need to keep it till last level. Clear? In the real time, while you are creating your data flow, first staging advanced ASO, staging advanced ASO. In the next level, we'll create standard advanced ASO because it will handle all duplicates and all. Finally, you can keep data mart advanced ASO. This is the flow, bro. So this is the flow. First data source, and then however we have data flow, right? In the data flow level, this is staging advanced ASO. Next level, we need to map it from 102, 103, we need to map it. So here, same using for your understanding only, I just mapping data source to these three. So in the real time, not like this. I'll move from 102, 103. 103 to 104, I will map it, okay, in the real time. So for your understanding only, okay, how it will behave standard ADSO, how it will behave data mart advanced ADSO, we tried from the S4 HANA. So I will check with this guy, okay, tomorrow it will work that we can able to log in this system as well. I'll check with him. Then I will create one or two records and we'll see. So that we will come to know. And also we need to check in the word queue mon level. When you are talking about delta, we need to check here delta how it is behaving in the ODQ mon level. Okay. That we'll see by tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.